'cause I'm hot-blooded, check it and see. I got a fever of 103. Come on, baby, do you do more than dance? Hot fever, hot fever.
How you doing? Welcome to the 2019 AMA Vintage Motorcycle Days at the Lexington Sports Car Course, this year sponsored by Honda. Let's go see what's in store.
And of course, immediately upon arrival, I got stuck in the mud while looking for a campsite. But $20 and a Suzuki Samurai with a tow strap later, I was able to set up camp and be on about my day. There's always something fun to see and do at the AMA Vintage Motorcycle Days. Swap meets, demo rides, but let's head over to someplace special. It's one of my favorite things to see every year. Now, some of you may have already guessed where we're headed, and you'd be right if you said the Wall of Death. Congratulations. Good on you.
Down here in the Wall of Death. But you know the young entertaining with 400 trained professional riders. They try to pull complete acts each and every show. You're first entertained by the young man on the motorcycle. That's Hobo Bear Rider, Hoboken, New Jersey. They'll be doing the Urban Angels, Dicks and Guys and Jack. Aboard a vintage 1928 Indian Scout. You can double across our Michigan to see these motorcycles on the glass in the museum. The next one is named by Bing 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 with the shade lion on the inside. They'll be doing the slide for life on a micro-vision racer. And you'll see Joe Wagner on the Tucson on his own with freehand trick and acrobatic riding. The board of vintage 1927 Indian Scout on the inside. Last but not least, you'll see handsome Charlie Ransom out of Pasadena, California. We'll be doing the race for
Ricochet ride. Now Billy's going to defy death and gravity, riding a 91-year-old motorcycle up there on the Wall Coast, a 1928 Indian Scout. He's going to perform the ever-dangerous instant dimes of death. Let's watch him go.
say hello to my new friend Mike, who likes photography and makes really good coffee. There's nothing more exhilarating than listening to the sound of vintage motorcycles tearing up a racetrack. No shortage of places to find some shade around Mid-Ohio's sports car course, but you can basically park it anywhere. Equally as fun as watching bikes go around the car course is getting on the course yourself. But before I could do that, I had to wash all the mud off my bike. Once everybody was done with the safety briefing, it was time to line up and get out on the course. I've been going to Mid-Ohio's Vintage Motorcycle Days event for probably the last 6 years, but this is the first time I've ever been able to get out on the 2.4 mile, 15 turn course, which is an absolute blast. thanks to an overabundance of rain, Mid-Ohio was renamed Mud, Ohio this year. And as you can see, the conditions got really nasty out here. There wasn't a single thing that didn't come home covered in mud. Conditions were so bad, that little Suzuki Samurai that pulled me out of the mud on Friday morning worked all weekend long to continue doing so for others. The sun did eventually come out again, and even as filthy as I was, I still managed to have a great time and make some new friends. Like my new friend Mary McGee here, the first woman to ever complete the Baja 1000. She's a true legend. I want to say thank you once again to Mud, Ohio for a wonderful time. Packing up, campsite's done, the Grom is filthy, but we had a lot of fun. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If I reach 100 subscribers, I'll even do a giveaway. Thanks for watching.